Shuni indalo enhle Herbs and Beyond. Lana ngikhuluma ngema products la organic guys, akanama chemicals or anything. So lama chemical alapha ini, alapha amadolo, alapha amehlo, alapha ama-ulcer, alapha umdlavuza, aqinisa kudoda, yebo atholisa nebantwana if ever awutholi bantwana, ayaglowisa, alapha netinso. Also uma ngabe kusunenyongo ayakwasha guys, uma ngabe kusawuna energy ayakunika energy, uma ngabe kusingeti yakho ingcolile futhi bakhona kusema products akwashe ingadi. So also sinema tampons lana, lama tampons ngiwathanza ngoba uma ngabe kusiwasebenzisa if ever wena uyagula la esinyeni ayakhona ukuthi adonsa letinsila. Also sinema pads guys, ama pads lawo organic, uma ngabe kuthi uyawasebenzisa angeke uze utholakala ukuthi wena sonema infection or anything stuff like that. So into lechaza ukuthi if ever awukhona ukuthi unathe imbita uyakhona ukuthi usebenzise ama tea bags ethu, uma ngabe ukuthi awukhona ukunatha ama tea bags uyakhona ukuthi unathe ama capsules. So yini wena loyizamile wabe siyahluleka, ngicela ukuthi thina uzame, try us. You will thank me later guys. So lokunye guys, i-courier guy it's for free, sikudilivela mahala, satholakala eDurban, satholakala eGauteng, satholakala futhi naseNelspruit. So ayiphali ingane. So I'll make sure ukuthi ngiyanishila amanamba. Ababuye abantu baphile la kuse-Woolworths la akudlala azidlali lana azidlali guys, siyadilivela, siyathembeka kakhulu, you can trust us. Yini leyo legulako because it might happen ukuthi angamentionanga sifo lonaso, but then try us. Nama products amaningi satholakala futhi ungasi WhatsApp. I love you guys. Bye.